If you don't receive notifications from your smartphone on your Xiaomi Watch 5, in order to fix this, you can go to the MyFitness app or MyFitness app. Make sure that you have the device option selected at the bottom, and of course make sure that Xiaomi Watch 5 is selected here at the top. Now we're gonna go to notifications and calls. Here we can find app notifications, and of course we want to make sure that this option is enabled. Besides that, here we have more options, and we have two options, and we can choose one of them. We have mirror phone notifications. If you enable this option, or if you choose it over here, then you should be able to receive every notification from your smartphone on your Xiaomi Watch 5. You can also choose the custom notifications option, and then you can decide which apps should be allowed to send notifications to your smartwatch as well, in addition to your smartphone, of course. So what you need to do is, of course, you need to go through this list and you need to enable app notifications for those apps that you want to make sure that you receive notifications from these apps. For example, in my case, I only have 2 apps enabled, so I can only receive notifications from these 2 apps now on my Xiaomi Watch 5. And there is also an additional option that is worth mentioning, and it is this one: notify only when worn. So what it does is, if you don't wear your smartwatch on your wrist, you will not be able to receive notifications on your smartwatch. Now the thing is, if you have tattoos or something that might make it harder for the smartwatch to detect that you actually wear it on your wrist, this won't work. So you will not be able to receive notifications. So what you can do is you can simply turn this option off, and then you can be pretty much certain that you will receive notifications. Ideally, I think it is the best to use the mirror option, although if you don't want to see literally every app notification, then of course you can just choose the custom option. But this should fix notifications not showing up on your Xiaomi Watch 5. Leave a like and subscribe.